Hey guys, I'm gonna do tonight, and I'm sitting on the toilet. Here's my sink. This is a fidget spinner, and right now I'm using the bathroom where I'm spinning with this little toy. There's like a lot of kids playing with these things. I don't get it. All it does is spin. I know it helps people with ADHD like I have. I have ADHD, but ain't it cool? Oops. It massages my mustache. Let's go faster. It massages my mustache. I bought this at GameStop and it was $9.99. It's at this. They have them. You just gotta look for them. It's on the desk. So, that's my take on it. Also, it glows in the dark. So, that's pretty cool. Well, guys, I'm Gator Done 1990. Thank you all for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear? See ya later. Bye-bye.